Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a quick video today on how I turned a 1.5 inch SDS chisel for a hammer kit. It's like a, what do you call it? Not an air hammer, but an electric one. It drills and it also hammers. I'll do a video on that one to show you this drill that I'm talking about, or this hammer kit. But anyway, excuse me. This is the chisel that I used, and this one here is a 10 inch by 1.5, and this actually I bought at Harbor Freight. Came in a kit with 2 other chisels, and my issue is the fact that the face of the chisel was only 1.5 inch, and the 3 inch only goes to the the hammer drill that is the max type or max model. So I needed something a little bit wider because I'm ripping up some tile, cement, or tile mass, or whatever they call it. Anyway, so I decided to make my own, and as you can see, let me just turn it this way here. I decided to go ahead and find a piece of 4 inch metal stock, and this one here is, it's like 3/16 thick, and so what I did was I cut that 4 inches by 3 inches this way, and then I welded it to the chisel. And I also used 2 other pieces of steel right here, one on this side, and if you flip it over, one on the other side, to sandwich the chisel onto that piece of steel that I used. This way here I welded everything here, 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 on both sides, down here, here, and here, and also before welding these plates on, I welded the chisel onto that plate on both sides. Just assures that it's actually, you know, nice and strong. And let's see if I can turn it so you can see that. Okay, right there, I put a bevel on the tip, on the edge rather. There you go, there's a good shot there. The sun's right there at about a 45, so that when I put it down on the floor, you know, it's gonna do a nice scraping action. And I noticed that when using these chisels on these SDS type drills, that it's almost like it does a self-sharpening by scraping one side and then you turn it over and scrape the other side. It just keeps sharpening both sides. So there you go, guys. Like I said, oh, and if you wanted to find a 3 inch, was really expensive, and then on top of it I saw an air hammer chisel that is 42 inches long. It comes with a blade as long as this one. It's 4 inches, and that was like over $100. So I said, you know what, this scrap metal right here I had, the only thing I paid for was this chisel set, but now I have myself a 4 inch hammer chisel for the SDS type drills. As always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.